Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new, welcome. For today's video, I'm going to be folding this massive pile of laundry. If you don't know, we are a family of 5, so the piles of laundry in our house just pile up so quickly. If you're like me, then sometimes you just get too lazy to fold your laundry after it comes out of the dryer and you end up putting it somewhere, and that's just what happened with this. We just piled it up in this playpen and now it's filled to the top of this playpen with just laundry that needs to be folded and put away. So that's what I'm going to be doing in this video for you today, as well as putting new loads of laundry in the washer and dryer. So if you enjoy these types of videos, please give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and let's get right into this video. Halfway done. You guys remember this playpen was filled to the top with clothes. Now they're all on my bed, just folded into piles. The playpen is cleared out. We just got a few toys in there, but everything is cleared out. I put all the clothes away on my bed. I just have these clothes I have to hang up, and then all these socks. I think the socks are the worst part of laundry. I really hate sorting socks. So I just grabbed a bunch of hangers and I'm gonna hang all these clothes up. guys, that is it for this laundry video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave if you're not subscribed already. Don't forget to turn on the post notifications so that you're notified every time I upload a new video to my channel. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.